A few weeks ago, I told you guys about my professional level ebook that I am working on, and I have good news right now. The good news is not about being almost done with the ebook, it's about how good this ebook is. I had no idea this ebook was going to be so perfect in such a way that I gave the ebook a name. Crazy, right? So I gave the ebook a name, and the name is the Block Diagram Master. So from the name, this ebook you are going to learn about every single circuit in a mobile PCB, and this ebook will be all about block diagram. So what about the block diagrams? It means that in this ebook you will learn and understand every single circuit, how every circuit in a mobile PCB is connected. You won't just learn about how the circuits are connected, you will learn about the power supplies, the signal lines. You will learn about the signal lines like the enable signal, the I2C buses, the reset and the clock signals. About the power supplies, you will learn about the VREGs, LDO voltage, VPH, VREGs, all the types of power supplies, output, both output and input. You're going to learn everything in this course. So the course is so good that I'm planning to make a hard copy of this book because the course will have over 80 pages, and that's actually insane, right? So it will have a lot of information. I must get a hard copy of the ebook, and I think that will totally be good. That will be good actually. So I'm just going to finish the course. The course should be ready by next week. So when the course is out, the first few weeks, the course is going to be very cheap. The ebook will be very cheap. Like I said, it's very good. So it's worth any amount that you think that you can spend to learn something. You get it? So the course is about block diagrams, and the name of the course again is the Block Diagram Master, which means after you have gone through the course, you will become a total beast in looking at a PCB, understanding how everything is connected, where you need to go to start troubleshooting a specific problem, the voltage, the signals that you need to expect, and all that stuff. So, using the block diagram knowledge to troubleshoot using schematic diagram, that will be insane because you will be able to find any type of fault. You will be able to find all the lines that you will learn from the block diagram. And also, this course is an ebook, which means that it's in a PDF format. So, like I told you guys, this course will replicate everything in my professional level course, which is a video format, which is a video format course. So, this one will be an ebook, but it's not going to replicate things like schematic reading. This is about block diagrams. So the professional level course in the video format has a block diagram, schematic diagrams, but the course, the ebook will cover just the block diagram because I want to focus on that so that you will understand everything about block diagram reading, the circuits, and how everything is connected.